Alright folks, we are going to do a recharge on the Freon. We got our refrigerant, aka our Freon. aka our Freon. We got our recharge hose. We're going to go ahead and attach the recharge hose to the can of Freon. It just spins right in there. Test. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and crank up the car and put the AC on max. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and disconnect our low side with the little L marker on here. Depending on what kind of recharge hose you have, it's the only nozzle that the clamp is going to latch onto. I'll just show you as an example. See this right here? This is high pressure. It doesn't fit on there. So you're going to attach it to your low pressure side. Snugly, push it on, release. And want to make sure definitely that as you're recharging, if you push the button down, you watch your pressure gauge. Alright, so we're done with the oil. Take that off. Now, go ahead and make that AC cold. Now. So we'll do the same thing with the Freon. I'm going to go ahead and attach the can. Same method. And then we're going to attach it to the same side, low side. Remember, people, AC's on max. Make sure it's nice and snug in there. And we're just going to go ahead and bring it in closer. We're going to get the pressure gauge. And remember, you do not want to overcharge into the red, so you're going to release the Freon. Hold it, you're going to see the pressure decreasing. It's going to eventually go back up. Alright, so we're not quite full yet, and I think this can is done. Yeah, this can's done. Remember, the system's completely empty, folks, so you may end up putting in more than one can. What we just emptied was an 18-ounce can of Freon and a 3-ounce can of oil. We're going to go ahead and hook up the second Freon. Unlock it. So we can press. Once it starts to get empty, I'm gonna go ahead and flip the can upside down, get everything out of there. stuff. And now, let's check our work, folks. This can's empty. We're done. All the freons in the compressor. We can close up shop. Thanks for watching, folks.